welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the requirements. In last video, we have done with the process, right process and those things. And before that two videos, we have discussed what is RPA and benefits and characteristics of the all these things. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see what is requirements in terms of RPA project management. So requirements are quite simple, the items that you are require when delivering something new, whether a project, a piece of software, or a new service for our client, new process, or reform product or an automation. The requirements are those building blocks to ensure the right things can be delivered. The simple definition of the requirement. Okay. Requirements are those building blocks to ensure the right things can be delivered. So the requirements are way of ensuring every voice is heard, every need, want is documented, and the technical and non-technical are seen by those designing or delivering the output. So let's look at in this example, project to deliver for a new HR system. Example we are going to take in whole series is related to HR system. Okay. So let's go ahead and see. To do this, requirements needs to be gathered to ensure nothing is missed out. Requirements here could include HR payroll system connector, reporting dashboard, storage of X amount or something, single sign-on process, access 100 accounts or something, and case handling workflow tool. So these are examples of building blocks of what would make for a successful HR system. Getting my point? Okay. Just put in the comment box if you are having any concern related to these requirements. Okay. So you could simply choose an off the shelf HR system. You can add in the comment box more points related if we are missed out from this building blocks. Okay, just put it in the comment box so we can add it in our documentation part. So but without gathering requirements, how can be sure it will give you everything you need? These are the requirements you gather, right? Then really it's the coming question to you. Without gathering the requirements, how can you be sure it will give you everything you needed? Just put it in the comment box. We can see how much you are excited to create this new HR system with me, right? Yeah. So coming to next slide, we are going to give you the answer from my side. To approach your requirement piece, you can think of it in several ways, and it is recommended you approach it as such. The requirement inclination, okay, inclination, then the documentation, and then confirmation, right? Yeah. So this is the actual gathering of the requirement from invested parties. In this process, you need to ask for and collect generally higher level requirements from all the relevant stakeholders. Okay, then those that are consulted with here can include colleagues, internal stakeholder, and the customers, as well as vendor, third party support, management, leadership, IT, etc. You have to set up the meeting for all this person one to one first. Okay, gather the requirements from each and every person. Okay, you want to really clear on the needs first and foremost, and then documents the wants. Okay, yeah. After the step of this inclination, we are going to go ahead and document it. This is where you organize your requirements into correct formats, that is one you have chosen. The effort will involve reviewing the requirements, sorting them, potentially customizing also them. You can customize under that Moscow method, right? We will going to discuss after that, but still in the basic level, you can put it in the Excel point of view, that is want or need, technical or non-technical, critical or non-critical. Okay, that columns you can uh, categorize first. It's a basic thing. Okay. So developers of the system, automations or the outputs here may use this information to create stories that can be tested at a later date. They may also be broken down further into very small pieces, specifically details if needed. Stories, right? Yeah. After this stage, we are going to go ahead with the requirement confirmation. This is the post gathering efforts to ensure everyone is on the same page about the requirements needed, the desired output, and the direction of travel based on the gathered requirements. This could require gathering together in a meeting to review the requirements, right? Yeah, in the Scrum Master or the Safe, we are having a one meeting, right? Planning meeting, correct? Yeah, the identifying the way of each one further PI planning, we can say, right? Yeah, PI planning meeting should be there before start with the sprints, backlog sprints, and all those things, right? Product backlog we are creating here. So identifying the way of each one of the further and trying to come to an agreement on actual needs versus the actual wants. Okay, so in this today's video, we have discussed related to requirements. Previously, we have discussed the processes, right? Process and those. Just go with all these videos which we have discussed till now and clear your concepts. If you are having any doubts, comments, just put it in the comment box. I will be there. This is Samiksha Desai, your coach, mentor for the Agile project management. Okay. If you need any personalized coaching or mentorship or interview preparation or something, just avail my office and be with me. Thank you.